Are you ready to learn more about drawing realistic animals? Which animals will we be drawing? Horses, cats, and dogs. I don't like horses, they stink. Well, we will draw them from a photograph, so you won't have to smell them, okay? It is not as if the bad smell goes through the paper. Very funny. In this 8-hour course you will learn more techniques and drawing, like drawing on toned paper, drawing on white paper, using shadows and highlights in your art, blocking techniques, contour lines, accents. Like the French Vincent has an accent, right? First of all, it is Vincent. Vincent. And yes, I do have an accent, but so do you. I was actually just talking about accents in art, like emphasizing a certain detail. Oh, I knew that. Did not? Yes, I did. I'm just going to ignore them and continue, okay? You will learn also about dotting, creating shadows, effective ways to use the eraser, outlining, sight sizing, and much, much more. Some lessons are theory lessons and other ones are recorded drawings. Wake up! You have no respect for art. This course is fantastic. It will teach people a lot. Yeah, and I also invited guests. Huh? Guests? Like who? Like a cat and a dog and a horse girl who are all ready to share their experiences. She doesn't look hot. She doesn't have to. Sacre bleu, la vache. Anyway, I am confident that if you follow along in the classes and if you do the assignments and practice, you will definitely get better at drawing. And then you can show off your skills as an art master.